Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to flip an image in Figma. So let's imagine we have this little image here. The girl looks to the right, but we want her to look to the left. So a couple of ways to do this. First of all, you could just hold Shift and then move over with the mouse to the left side. Or the other option would be you have this image and you go to the Positions tab, and here just click on the mirroring tab, and now the girl would look to the left. And to do that, you can also actually press Shift and then click H for horizontal. And so yeah, you can see the shortcut here, flip horizontal, and basically you can do the same for vertical. So Shift V would be a vertical flip, but you can also manually do it in the Positions tab just by clicking flip horizontal. And this is basically all the magic. Hope you liked the video. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye bye.